Father Jeever, and I would like to share with you some of the lines from today's Gospel, Matthew chapter 11, verses 20 to 24, July 14, 2026. It says, "Woe to you, Chorazin! Woe to you, Bethsaida! For if the mighty deeds done in your midst had been done in Tyre and Sidon, they would long ago have repented in sackcloth and ashes." My dear friends, God is a God of many chances. Every single day of our lives, God makes many opportunities, gives many opportunities for us to be good again. God is always working wonders in our lives. Huwag nating sayangin ang mga pagkakataon na pinapakita sa atin ng Diyos ang kanyang pagmamahal. God is a God of many chances, and we have to respond. Yes, totoo yan. Ang Panginoon ay nagbibigay ng walang hanggang pagmamahal, walang hanggang pagpapatawad. Pero on our part, we have to do our share. We have to respond. And we have to show to God that hindi nasasayang ang mga pagkakataong binibigay niya sa atin. Hindi nasasayang ang mga pagmamahal na binibigay niya sa atin. Paano? Dahil tayo ay nagpapakita ng tunay na pagbabago. Have a nice day.